Ever wish your derived values could just update themselves? That's exactly what computed signals do in Angular. Let's see how to create one. Creating a computed signal starts with importing the computed function from Angular core. You call computed and pass it a callback function that returns the derived value. Inside that callback, you read from other signals. Angular automatically tracks which signals you access. The computed function returns a new signal that holds your calculated result. Computed signals derive their value from other signals. When you read a signal inside the callback, Angular registers it as a dependency. If first name or last name changes, full name automatically recalculates. You can chain computed signals together. One computed can depend on another. This creates a reactive dependency graph where changes flow through automatically. Here's a critical distinction. Computed signals are read-only. You can call them to get their value, but you cannot set them directly. They have no set method. This makes sense because their value comes from the computation, not from manual assignment. Writable signals use the signal function and let you update their value. Computed signals use computed and are always derived. Computed signals have two powerful features. First, automatic dependency tracking. You never tell Angular what to watch. It figures it out by seeing which signals you read. Second, lazy evaluation. The computation only runs when something actually reads the result. If nobody's looking, Angular skips the work. This keeps your app efficient even with complex reactive chains. To summarize, use the computed function with a callback that reads other signals to create derived, read-only values that update automatically. Master computed signals and you'll write cleaner, more reactive Angular code. Try building a computed signal in your next component. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.